I'm gender fluid and kind of just bisexual, pansexual.
Sexuality is a much bigger spectrum, so I feel like there should be more flags to represent people from different sides of the spectrum.
Just happy to see that the flag has evolved to include people who come from different backgrounds, who doesn't necessarily define themselves to be part of the original spectrum, which excluded non-binaries and stuff.
I think every flag has its moment in time, and they're so powerful whenever they come out because they mean a lot.
I'm feeling queer energy,
Yeah.
queer liberation, queer
Yeah.
Black liberation, queer BIPOC liberation. Like I'm feeling everywhere.